Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the Project Pen update for the month of June and I am so excited. We have some great updates. So let's start in no particular order with the blushes actually. So in the Project Pen I have two blushes, both from Natasha Denona. We have the Mini Dream Glow Blush and the newest one, the High Blush, that is also from Natasha Denona. This one is the cream one with a blush and a highlighter, and the other one is like an ombre with blushes and highlighters as well. So I put a number of 30 uses on each. I used the cream one 7 times in May and the other one, the powder one, 11 times. They are great, they are working wonderful together but separate as well. I've been using the highlighters from here as well. I really like the highlighter that is cream from this one. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we will continue to use them in the month of June. I've been loving both of these. Then let's very quickly talk about the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, because I think this will stay for the whole year in the Project Pen, and if I'm not done with it, it will be decluttered because it's getting older. I have so little left and it's so annoying. I'm not using it that often. It is what it is. I do like it, but yeah, overall I am just skipping it from time to time. Then the powder I did not use that much because I bought some other product and this is so hard to open sometimes. I will of course insert the close-ups for all of these, but yeah, you cannot see a big progress on this and it's not the best powder out there. I am just blending the edges with this one. Overall it's nice but not my absolute favorite powder, so that's the reason the progress is pretty low. Then we have the primer. I really like this one, the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glowy Primer. I really want to finish this one up in the next month. I think it will take maybe 2 more months to finish it up. It's great, I've been loving it. It's so glowy and hydrating. It's just a beautiful primer and I do have a backup of this one actually, so I really want to finish this one up. Then another product that I set a 30 uses goal is a highlighter. This is the newest highlighter in my collection. It is the NYX Buttermelt highlighter. I have the shade number 10. It is a beautiful highlighter. Overall I do enjoy it. I did use it 6 times in the month of May, and that is because I have the other highlighters in here as well, but I will use it more in June probably, and I will enjoy it a lot. Lately I've been skipping highlighter a bit, like today, so that's another thing, but I really like that one from NYX. Then this is the biggest update and I am so happy. I said in like 2 or 3 previous updates that I cannot believe that I'm not hitting pen on the Fenty bronzer, and I have a giant pen in it right now. I am so happy. This is a beautiful bronzer and it's so creamy and it is pretty light for me in general, but right now I don't have any tan left, so that's the reason I am this light and I can enjoy this one. It's so beautiful. I really like it. Overall I am so happy that I hit pen on it. It is the biggest update, like I said. Next, let's talk about a product that I did finish. It is the E.L.F lip liner. Look how tiny this is. I can use it maybe 2 more times, but I cannot sharpen it. I can barely hold it, so it's done. It's a great product. It's not the most long lasting lip liner, but overall it is so beautiful on the lips, so I really did enjoy it. And we will swap it out with this one. This is the NYX Line Loud and I have in here the shade No Equivalent. It is a neutral shade. It's beautiful and this, I think it is my favorite lip liner formula. It is creamy, easy to apply, but long lasting. It is so beautiful. I really like it, and it is from the drugstore. I cannot recommend it enough and I cannot wait to enjoy it in the Project Pen. Then we have a gloss. This is the Nimya gloss. I think this will be the last month for it because yeah, I'm not using it that much. I don't have a lot of product in here and it is getting older. I don't want to remove the stopper for this one, but I will enjoy it in the month of June and then we will swap it out for something else. Let's talk about some complexion products as well. I have the Essence Skin Tint, and again, I cannot believe this is not done yet, but this is the last month for it because I have so little left and this is getting older and I want to enjoy other products, and at the same time I'm just at the end of this one. I can see from the window in here, maybe not right now because I did move it around a bit, but I'm almost done. It is very light. This is not the best product out there, so yeah, I don't recommend it. It is way too glowy and it doesn't wear that well. It looks great on the skin, but the wear time is just non-existent. So, and then we have the concealer that I absolutely love. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I have in here the shade Medium Vanilla. Next week I actually have a vacation planned, so I am very excited about it, and as well I will take this one with me because it is the best foundation concealer 2-in-1 and it lasts great on the skin and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I did use it a pretty good amount. This was everything. I am very happy with the update. I am so excited that I hit pan on the Fenty bronzer, and yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.